In this class, we'll introduce you to some basic concepts on lighting in Max. Open the Lighting Test Max file in the Course File folder. After you open this file, Max shines the default lighting system in the scene. The name of this lighting system is Global Illumination. You apply it to detect shininess and shadow zones in objects. See how the light in this scene does not cast shadows as the boxes in this scene. Let's add an Omni Light to the scene. This type of light shines light in all directions. Click the Omni command on the Create Light Standard Light menu and then click anywhere in the front view. Then go to the toolbar and click Select and Move and see where the area is lit according to where the light is moved. After Omni Lighting is created, Max turns off Global Illumination. This way, Global Illumination does not interfere with the created light. Remember, even though the created lighting is turned off, the Global Illumination remains off. See how the created lights do not cast shadows on objects. Even after rendering, there are no shadows in the scene. You only need to enable the light parameter in order to view your work with shadows. Take a look at the Command Panel, Modify tab to view the shadows settings. The On option is not selected in the Shadows section. After enabling On, you still won't see the shadows in the viewport, but you can still render the scene by pressing the F9 key and render the shadows. It was not possible to view shadows in the viewport before this version. But now, in the 2010 version, it is possible to do this by enabling the Light and Shadows tool. This tool makes it possible to change the settings in the scene more quickly. After changing the lighting parameters, you will see the results in real time. Let's take a look at the Intensity, Color, Attenuation group. The Multiplier Field controls how intense the light shines. Next to the Multiplier Field, you can change the light color. The name of this field is Color Swatch. These color settings define the type of lighting for illuminating indoor scenes, for example. Or you can even select warm or cold lighting in the scene. In Max, you can add as many lights as you wish for any given scene and configure each one separately. There are countless setting options. Applying these parameters to materials and rendering, it's possible to get real-life-like scenes. So in this class, we have introduced you to lighting in 3ds Max. We studied only about Omni Lighting as a way for you to understand how illumination is applied to Max. In the next courses, you learn about each type of lighting and countless parameters to help you get excellence in your design work.